When I was doing my master's degree in Botswana, I also worked for the British Council Botswana. At the time, I worked as an exams invigilator. I was invigilating exams that are run by the British Council. But I mostly invigilated the IELTS exam because it was run on weekends and I was available on weekends. Other exams like ACCA or SEEPs were run during the week, and mostly during the week I had to focus on my studies. So that is how I started working for the British Council. And during the process of invigilating, a post came up for an exam services officer. I applied, interviewed, and got the job. So I moved from an invigilator to an exam services officer. I think I did the job for 9 months because I was a maternity replacement. I was replacing an officer who had gone for maternity. Two of them had gone for maternity, so I had to cover for two colleagues. So I did that. I went from invigilating to now administering the same exams that I was invigilating. And then during the course of working as an exams officer, one of the officers came back, and then eventually the other one came back. So that meant I did not have. Eventually, I would run out of work, but fortunately, on the other department, there's a colleague who left. He found a better job, and then there was an opening for a scholarship administrator. The job was advertised. I applied, I interviewed, and then I moved from the exams department to scholarship administration. I keep looking up because my son is playing, so I have to keep an eye on him and just make sure that he doesn't fall. Apologies for that. So I moved from exams to scholarship administration. I administered the Botswana scholarship program that sent students abroad in Australia, Canada, UK, South Africa, and Botswana. To be honest, I truly loved the job. I really enjoyed the job. It was nice helping students achieve their dreams of studying abroad. So I helped with the admission, applying for admissions abroad, and then helping them transition from Botswana to whichever country they've been admitted to. And then also that beyond the admissions, I also had to take care of them, like make sure that they were okay abroad, check in with them just to see if they are coping while they are abroad. So it was really a nice job. I did enjoy what I was doing, and it's exactly what I'm doing right now. It's exactly the same thing that I was doing at British Council. That was my last job, the last job that I did at British Council, and I enjoyed it so much. Unfortunately, COVID-19 happened, and during COVID-19, a lot of students graduated. They were on their final year, so they graduated and came back to Botswana. So, and then the sponsor did not send new students abroad. So that means without a new cohort, I do not have work to do. And I was let go because there was nothing else to do and there was no opening in other departments. So it was difficult to lose my job because it was my main source of income, and I truly loved what I was doing. It was really hard to let go, but I did not have a choice because my contract ended, and I was told that it will not be renewed. So I had to figure out what to do next. Honestly, I was not sure of what to do. I did not know whether I did not know whether to apply for a new job, to start a business, to go back to school. I was just in between. I was just in a confused state. So I had to rethink my life. I had to consider what I can do. Fortunately, I lost my job in, like I mentioned, I lost my job in October 2021. That was my last month at British Council, Botswana. So I decided, okay, uh, November, December, I will not do anything. Let me just try to think and brainstorm and see what I can do. Fortunately, I had some savings, so I was able to pay my rent for November and December while I figure out what to do next. And then a business idea came up. I came up with the idea of starting my own virtual assistant business. I'll share more on that on the next video. So see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.